natin, guys. I hope okay lang kayo lahat. It's Saturday dito ngayon sa UK, and so since walang pasok si Scarlett, say hello Scarlett! Hi! Since wala siyang pasok today, guys, so magme-make kami ng gingerbread cookie! Yay! So ito yung mga... Say hello! So what we got here? We got gingerbread mix.
I got cheese.
We got what's this? Butter. We
Got
got butter.
water.
We got honey. And we got water. And we got some cookie cutter, guys, for our cookie later. So, sa mga interesado, so keep on watching. So guys, mag-start na kami magluto ng gingerbread. What's that? Cookies! Yay! So first, we're gonna do Scarlett is... Nalagay namin itong ano, guys, gingerbread mix sa... Ito, guys. I'm gonna cut this first, okay? Hard. It's hard, guys. Yeah, you pour it now. Yay. Wow, can you smell the ginger? Wow. Sorry. So ito yung ginger mix, guys. Gingerbread mix. Oh. Next, ilalagay natin yung... What's this? Oh, put the water there.
Yes.
Good job. And now, we will put that.
It's there.
Yeah, we're gonna weigh it. Press that one.
It's not working.
Ilalagay kami na, ano guys, butter.
Mommy, not working.
So how many butter is in there?
Oh no, you're
It
not.
says 40 grams of butter.
Yes, what is you want about it, Mary?
Yeah.
Daddy, mission. Daddy, you have your money.
Okay.
Yes, Apple, and let me do it. See? Ginger.
Careful.
Digga.
That's enough. Okay, more.
Butter. Daddy, help me, mommy. Daddy.
Watch the camera. Finished?
Yeah.
See. Okay, that's enough. And then we're gonna mix.
Yes, 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 yes.
Hold it. Good girl. Hello. Say hi. Hello.
Come on, mixing it. Hello,
You keep mixing. You enjoying, Scarlett? Scarlett, are you enjoying?
Yes,
You tell them, how old are you?
I'm big.
How old are you? You're nearly?
4.
Good girl. What's your teacher's name?
Name Mr. Wilgit.
Rudik.
Yeah.
You got a big book to read. Yeah?
Yes.
So now we're gonna put the honey, guys.
Thank you,
Um,
Mommy.
How many?
This is mine.
30 grams of honey.
Look, mine
So
is.
Scarlett, we're gonna put 30 grams.
Yes, I
Look,
can.
look. Look,
Wow. I want to do it, Mommy. Mommy, do it now.
Are you just very gentle?
Yes.
Gentle?
Yes.
Oh, enough, enough.
I want to do it.
Wait.
Okay. Let me do it.
Yay. That's enough. And you're gonna mix, 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 mix.
Yeah, make it loud.
Mm.
Good.
Yay.
Hold on. It's got so much now, Mommy.
Wow. Mix, mix.
What if I down?
Mix, mix. Scarlett, I'm asking you, what's the name of your sister?
Name Willow.
Willow.
I can take it off, Mommy.
Or you can put, you can use that one.
You have to take it off.
Yeah, take it off me. It's gonna get messier here, look. Is it messy now, Scarlett? Gentle. You alright?
Yes.
Mix it. So already put the, what were we put in there? The whole?
Willow.
Yeah, we already put the honey in it, right?
Yeah. Now, put sheep in it now. Now, put sheep in it now.
Oh guys, dito na yung ano
I
guys,
have money.
ano na lang kami. What we're gonna do now, Scarlett?
Make sheep now.
Okay, make a shape in it. Wait.
Okay. The shape is
What you got there? What shape is that? Show it.
a heart.
Show it.
A heart.
Oh, good. Get a heart.
Yeah, go stay.
Wait.
Okay, I'm waiting.
And you make a shape, yeah?
Yeah.
What shape is that now?
Flower.
Wow, it's nice. You put in the pan. The baking pan. Oh, look at that, guys.
Made a flower.
Yeah.
Again.
Wow, flower. Tiny flower.
Yeah, let's do all of them.
Okay, what shape do you want next? What shape do you want next, darling?
I want a star.
Is it star? Tiny star?
I'll show you.
Show it to camera. But be gentle with it, okay?
Yes.
Stuck. It's stuck. Oh dear.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. Star.
Then I'm gonna add you this one, Mommy.
Mm.
This one's
What you got there?
I got iron up. And the drip goes down, the drip fall down like that.
Okay, come on now.
Oh, no.
Gentle, gentle. Wow, can you see it?
Yes.
Oh, looks like a cone.
We make a circle.
Okay. Circle shaped cookie.
Lemon.
A circle shaped cookie, Scarlett. What you got?
Lemon.
Oh, what shape is this?
A triangle.
Triangle. What's this next? It's a rectangle shape.
Yes.
Wow, very nice.
Yeah, I made it.
Wow, perfect.
You need more?
You got lots of different shape cookie.
Yeah, how about more stuff? Right there. push down. Okay.
You got more different shape cookie.
Oh, see, Mummy's stuck. Yeah.
Oh, what shape is this?
A star.
Oh, a star.
Yeah, did it. How about
How about
this one again?
okay, the small one. Yeah.
And push it, and now it's
Wow, it's perfect.
Yeah, and you do more now. We're doing the star.
Okay, do the
Again,
star.
Mummy.
Gentle bit there. Good,
You
good
go.
job. Very nice star.
About
How about, have you got a heart? Big heart.
this one.
Okay, what's that?
A wood.
What shape is that?
I ordered the drip comes down from the bottle. A drip come down.
Thank you.
Nice.
So we got loads of cookie. Yay! So we got more shapes in here, guys.
Then we're making them. Loads of them.
Yeah, that's enough because we're gonna pull like that. Got a star. Yay, we got a star in here.
I'm gonna walk around.
Got a star shape, guys. You got
Look, Mommy, ta-da!
Oh, what's that? Flower?
Yeah. Look, ta-da! Ta-da!
Triangle.
Ta-da!
Flowers.
Yes. Mommy. Ta-da! Look.
Nice flowers, guys.
Look, Mommy made a heart again.
Oh, a broken heart. Might be this heart is sad.
Look, Mommy. A rectangle. I need to push it down again.
Rectangle.
And I need to push it down. I need to push it down with a finger. Oh yeah.
And
Oh
this
no!
one.
It's not walking, it's broken now. Look. No
Look,
walk.
guys.
Everything is good.
Malapit na kami matapos.
Everything warm. Look, Mommy's nice, Mommy.
You need to hurry up, darling, yeah?
Yeah.
Because,
I'll make it over for you.
thank you.
You're welcome, Mommy.
Shapes.
I
We
got.
got rectangle.
And do that, Mommy.
Get some another shape there.
And
You can
do
help mommy, yeah?
rectangle.
Got shapes there, guys. Rectangle.
It's not working, Mommy. Look, it's cotton, Mommy. Let's put it down hard, Mommy.
Yeah.
It's not working, Mommy.
Not working. I'll do that one.
Thank you. Yay, it's working, Mommy.
We got heart shapes, guys. Heart.
How did you show to Daddy, Mommy?
Yeah, when we're finished, we're gonna show it to Daddy. We're gonna cook it first, yeah?
No, Mommy, I made it for you.
Wow, it's a rectangle. So
No, make squeaky one for me.
I'm gonna do the square. Square cookie! Yay, yay, yay!
I did it, Mommy.
You do it in school, right?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a rubbish bag. So guys, finish na kami guys. Ito yung mga cookie na nagawa namin. Shape cookie, gingerbread mix cookie. Oh, look at the mess guys. Oh my god.
I love it.
So ilalagay ko na to sa oven guys for about 12 minutes.
I want to make them fast.
You're very clever. You're helping mommy.
Yeah, Mommy.
Sa oven guys. Okay, play it. oven.